Welcome. Today I am with Motorola Moto G60S and I'll show you how you can turn on and customize always in display in this phone. So when you are looking in the settings, this feature is not available as default, so we have to use application from the Play Store. Let's type Muviz Edge and we have to get this application from the Sparking Labs. So let's hit the install button and now just wait until the download will be finished. Okay, right now we can open. Right here we have to grant the permission, so we have to follow my steps. Right now you have to go for Get Started button in the right bottom corner. Okay, and here we can find these AOD screens. So we have to tap right here, and here we have a few different themes of this option. So I would like to apply, for example, this one. So when you choose your theme, you have to tap here, and then if you want to customize, tap on the setting icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see here, we can find a lot of settings, and I will show you my favorite setup. So just take a look. Okay, and the customize is finished. So right now, when I'm gonna unlock this device, here we can find the always in display theme. So yeah, that's how we can make it. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.